welcome to At Home with Music. I'm Leon Holguin. Now, you've learned 36 basic chords and also augmented chords and diminished chords. And if you've been going through all the videos in From Ears to Fingers Advanced, you've also learned about different types of seventh chords and so on. But let's say you haven't quite gotten that far, and all you know are the 36 basic chords and the two special chords, augmented and diminished. And you want to play something that's kind of a little jazzy, and you're looking at a lead sheet. And you remember a lead sheet is just the melody line, the chords on top, the lyrics underneath, and you're looking at the chord symbols and you see something that says like E flat major 7. And you can't quite remember what that is. Well, I'm going to show you really quick how to simplify complex chords. And that will enable you to play any song that you want from any lead sheet that you happen to come across. So take a look at this one. This is a song called You Go to My Head. And those of you who are old enough to remember old standards like this, you really should learn to play some of these tunes because they are classics. They are great songs. And you'll learn a lot about chord progressions and so on when you study these tunes. So You Go to My Head. Notice that first chord, as you're looking at the lead sheet, is B flat 7. Okay, we know that one. But E flat major 7. What if you can't quite remember what that is right off the bat? You can simplify it by just playing E flat. So here's how this works. Anytime you see one of these fancy chords, you look for the letter name. So right there you see E flat. Don't worry about the major 7 thing. You can just play E flat. But look at the next chord. It says GM7, G minor 7. Well, you may already know what that is, but if you're not quite there yet, what you do when you see the little m is you assume it's a minor chord. No little m, it's a major chord. Little m in there, it's minor. And then you can not worry about everything that comes after it. So these first 3 chords, we already know B flat 7 because that's one of our basic chords. And then notice the next chord is A flat minor 7. You can not worry about the 7, just play A flat minor. And look at this next chord, D flat 7 flat 9. Well, it's a D flat 7 chord. You already know that one. And then the next chord is G flat major 7. Notice this song changes keys really quick. So the first 4 bars, if we simplify these chords, so the G minor 7 just becomes G minor, and then A flat minor 7 is just A flat minor. G major 7 is just, G flat major 7 is just G flat. And then F minor 7 flat 5 is just F minor because there's that little M. And then we have B flat sharp 5. We're just going to play, B7 sharp 5. And then B flat 7. And then we have an E flat minor. And then C minor, F minor, B flat 7. So that's how you simplify chords. It's really quite simple to simplify chords. Look for that letter name. And if that's just what you see there, and there's no little m, it's a major chord. If there's a little m, it's a minor chord, and you don't have to worry about all the numbers and symbols that follow. Now, of course, you'll want to learn these fancy chords because then it'll sound like this. I can play even the fancier version. Anyway, if you have any questions, please leave those in the comment section and I will be sure to respond. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you'd like to support my work on Patreon, I will leave the link below. Thank you again, and I will talk to you in the next one.